I first did a degree in sports therapy, which I started doing here in Llunio College, and I wanted to widen my options, so I decided to do a PGC. And I knew that Avon College was doing one. So the course was part-time over 2 years. When we first started the course, I got thrown the deep end to do a presentation because it had already started, which was a bit of a shock, but it was good because I knew then what to expect for the rest of the year, and it built the confidence that I needed to stand in front of the class and start delivering, which then helped my teaching then. Each year we had to have 3 observations done, where our lecturers from the college would come into our placement and sit in one of our lessons, which I found good because if I hadn't had that, I would have just been teaching the way I would taught instead of trying to incorporate more student-led stuff. So when I finished the PGC, I was offered the role of head of girls' sport here at Llunio College, where I would oversee the girls' sport. And then I was also given the role of head of A-level PE, which I wouldn't have been able to have if I hadn't completed my PGC. So when I first started in the college, it wasn't on my bingo card to be a teacher, but I am glad I did the PGC because it has given me the confidence to empower the student. And when a student does succeed in the course, whether it's GCSE, A-level or BTEC, it gives me the sense of accomplishment. If you're thinking of doing the PGC, do it. It's for everyone. You meet people with different backgrounds. On my course we had people that were doing engineering, hair and beauty, bricklaying, they were doing sports coaching. And without this degree, I wouldn't have the job that I have today.